Good day, viewers. Welcome to Easy Learning tutorial class on Waec question on mathematics. Waec mathematics question. Look at what we have for you today. The Waec question that said PQRXT is a circle with center O. POX is a straight line. RX is parallel. These two lines parallel to QT. Line QR is equals to line RX, and the Q angle X is equals to 56. Find I X angle QT, II P angle QT. Looking at this, even without giving us this, from this diagram you can interpret this they gave you here. From this diagram, we know that these and these, this sign is telling me that these and these are what? Equal. And this sign and this sign is telling me that this line and this line are parallel. That's what they are telling you here, that RX is parallel to QT. Look at it here. And the line P, line QR is equals to line RX. That's the information they give us here. And this is the angle. Let's move to what we have here. Then now, this dot here is telling me that this line passed through the center of a circle and the center of circle is 0. That means this line passed through the center of circle. Let's go to solution immediately. That's why we are here. Then looking at this, I can now look at this diagram and say that what QR X plus 56 is equals to 180. What is my reason? Who said this? Reason means who said this? Who said this is the word sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quad. Sum of opposite angle of cyclic quad. Sum of opposite angles. This means angles, short form of angles of what? Cyclic quad. What I mean, this of a cyclic quad. And that who said this? I can't just formulate it. It's the theory that said it. That's why I said who said that. Then from here I can now say that QRX is equals to 180 minus 56. And this will give me QRX is equals to, removing this will give me 124, will give me 124 degree. That means the angle, what I'm looking at is what? Angle QRX is equals to this angle. What does it mean by cyclic quad? Look at this, a circle is drawn like this, and you have a right angle triangle, a rectangle in that circle. If we have rectangle in that circle, this rectangle have formed a cyclic quad. That means angle here is equals to this angle alpha, and x is equals to, and this y is equals to x. What does it mean? It means that theta plus alpha is equals to 180. Theta plus alpha is equals to 180. Opposite angle of cyclic quad, which we did in our first lesson. Then we said again x plus y is also 180, opposite angle of a cyclic quad. Also, we can also say theta plus alpha plus x plus y is equals to 360. The total sum of angle in a cyclic quad. The total sum of angle in a cyclic quad is 360. And these opposite angles, some of them will give me 180, which we have noted. And that's what we did here. That's what we did here by saying that what this angle here is equals to, look at the cyclic quad. This is the cyclic quad. Watch it. This is the cyclic quad. Meaning that this angle is equals plus this angle is equals to 180, and this angle plus this angle is equals to 180. We have noted that. Let's move on. Then now, I look at it, this angle now is 124. I cannot say that the angle angle RQX plus angle RX RXQ, RXQ. I said angle RQX, which is this angle, plus the angle RXQ, which is this angle, plus 124 degree is equals to 180. Why did I say that? Reason. Who said that? Who said this? We said sum of angles in a triangle. Sum of angle in a triangle. Then that give me that what? This Q x plus R x Q is equals to 180 minus 124. That means that R Q x plus R x Q is equals to, that give me 10, minusing this will give me 156. 156. That give me 156. This minus this, sorry, this minus this will give me 56. That's mean 124 minus this 180 minus 124 will give me 56 degree. Then now we move, and I said, but I know that R Q and RQ X is equals to angle RXQ. Reason, why did I say that? Reason, why did I say that? We said that what? Base angles of an isosceles triangle. Base angle of isosceles triangle. That's who said that. This angle, this is an isosceles triangle. What made me to be isosceles triangle? This line and this line are equal, meaning that this triangle RQX is a isosceles triangle. This RQX, that's the triangle RQX is a isosceles triangle. And what made me to know that it's a isosceles triangle, that this line and this line are equal. Two sides of isosceles triangle are equal. Therefore, this is an isosceles triangle. And the base angle of isosceles triangle, that's this angle and this angle are what? Equal. That's what I'm interpreting here. This angle and this angle are what? Equal. Therefore, I can state this to be 2RQX is equals to 56. Or I can write it that what? 2RXQ is equals to 56. Any of this is the same. Therefore, I can now say that RXQ is equals to 56 divided by 2. That implies that RXQ is equals to 56 divided by 2 will give me 28 degree. And this means that what? RQX equals to RXQ is equals to 28 degree. That means the angle here is 28 degree. I mean to say the angle here is 28 degree. But this line and this line are parallel. And since they are parallel, any transverse line make it alternate angle. Watch it. This means that this angle here is equals to this angle. Can I state it here? This angle here is equals to this angle. How did I know that? Because of this line is parallel to this line, and the line you draw between, you have this, meaning this is equals to this. What it means that what? What it means that RXQ is equals to X. Okay, let me state it this way. What it means that what? XQT is equals to RXQ. That's angle RXQ. And this XQT is equals to, what is the RXQ is already 28, meaning that this is what, 28. And you know the reason why I say that alternate angle are equal. Look at this. If this man is parallel to this angle, which is 28, is equals to this angle, which is also 28. That means A here is equals to what? B here. That means A is equals to what? B. And is equals to 28. Because the angle here is 28. Let's come here. Come over here. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I'm repeating it. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. So this angle is equals to this angle. And that's the angle here is what? XQT, which is which they asked us to find. The first question said find XQT, which is XQT is equals to what? RXQ. That's what we stated now. That's our answer for that. Then we go for II. The question II, that's where we are now. The question II said, from here, I can say that what? XQP, what I mean here, PQX is 90. What do you mean by Q, what I mean by P angle PQX is equals to 90. Somebody would ask me, why did I say it's 90? Watch the diagram here. PQX is 90. What I mean, this angle here is what? 90. Reason. Who said that? Why did I say that? You remember? Why did I say that? I said what? Angles in a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle. Angle in a what? Semicircle. What does it mean? Look at semicircle. If I draw a line here, a circle, and the line pass through the center of a circle, this become a diameter. This line, which is called, have divided this circle into two equal parts. And this side is called semicircle. Here is called semicircle. And if this same chord form an angle in what? Any of this side, this angle become what? 90. If this man also form an angle here as well, this angle become what? 90. Are you getting what I'm saying here? And that's what we call angle in what? Semicircle. If a line, let me repeat it again, if a line pass through a center of a circle, which like this, the angle which this man is forming on the circumference, this is what? 90. And that's what I'm using here. Look at this line. He passed through the center of a circle and he formed an angle. Are you watching? This line passed through the center of a circle and he formed an angle here, which is this, which is what? 90, according to semicircle rules. So now, since we have known that this angle on the semicircle is what? 90, and this man is a semicircle forming an angle here, which is 90, I cannot say that what? That my PQ angle PQT plus angle XQT is equals to 90. Do you agree with me? 90 degree. Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me that it's 90 degree? Watch it here. This angle to this is 90. And I'm saying this QR, this angle plus this angle, which is Y, is what? 90 degree. Because here total is what? 90 degree. That means this angle plus this angle, let me repeat it again, this angle plus this angle equals to what? 90 degree. Then, but I know this man, which is what? PQ. I know this man, XQT. Look at it. XQT is what? 28. I cannot say PQT plus 28 degree is equals to 90 degree. Then I cannot say that what? PQT is equals to 90 minus 28 will give me 56. Will give me 62. Will give me 62. Will give me 62 degree. Therefore, I cannot say that my what? QT is what? 62 degrees. And that's the answer of the second question. And this one is the answer of the first question asked to us. And this is the answer of the second question. Then this is what I have for you today. We have seen that when you are answering question in a circle theory, when you are answering question in a circle theory, you have any statement you make, you have to say the reason, because that statement you are making is not from you. It's a theory that said it. That's why I said the reason. Who said that? If I say this plus this equals to 180, I can't just leave it like that. I have to state who said that. That's why I said who said that. Sum of angle of what? Sum of opposite angle of the what? Cyclic word. Immediately the person, the marker will know. The person, the examiner will know that you know what we are doing. This and this equals to 180. I said reason sum of angles in a triangle. If you are answering Waec question and you state this without giving the reason why, this you state have come to be what? Nothing. If this supposed to be 2 marks, we give you 1 mark if you want to mix it. Depends on the decision they make by what you call marking scheme. But this is necessary that each statement you make, an assumption you make, you have to what? State the reason why you say that in a circle theory. Note it, we have tackled this today. This is what I have for you today. Look for the next video which we are going to post. Please subscribe to this channel. It's free. The subscription is free. Love this channel. Comment and share to your friend. Inform your friend that something like this is going in this channel. And we are here to tackle all the Waec questions right from 2012 to date. And this question is coming from a question from 2015. And the reason why we are going backward is that Waec do repeat question or change some values. And they go backward by 10 years or 5 years or 7 years backward. So therefore, be conversant with this and love this channel and share to your friends. Thank you for watching.